up, y'all? It's What the Fuck Sway? I'm back with another video. This is how to make a preset. I got somebody that asked me this, right? Get a random artist preset, right? Make a song and put it on there. If y'all want to know the videos, how to put the put that in the comments. This is just how to make a preset for one person and a couple other people that said it. Go to your song and play it and mute. You want to mute all these like one by one. You want to play the song, listen to it, and mute it. If you like it, go to this arrow, hit save preset as, and what that's gonna do when you save it, you just name it, save it to your files. What that's doing is saving this one specific, you feel me, this plugin. It's saving this one plugin, but it's saving the settings too, you feel me? So you can go to a random slot and you can do some shit like this. You could just drag and drop it, right? And when you drag and drop it, all the settings gonna be on there. And you could just build your preset like that off other people presets, like other artist presets, ones that you found. You can actually go in these EQs and stuff and tweak it, like move it up and down to where you like it, you know, mute the beat, play it with the beat, just mix it, you know. Just take plugins from other presets and tweak them to your setting, your own settings. That's the easiest way. You feel me? But like, share, subscribe. If you want me to go in detail into how to actually mix with these plugins and stuff, like actually like click them and tweak them and show y'all what stuff mean in them and stuff, then comment, you feel me? Leave a comment, let me know if you want that video. I'll just make it, you feel me? But yeah, like, share, subscribe.